Hi everybody, Adam W. Warner here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a form using Gravity Forms that will allow you to receive and accept guest blog posts, and have those form submissions come into the back end of your WordPress site already formatted, already including images, and all you will need to do is simply review the contents of the blog post submission and hit publish. So here I am in the back end of WordPress, and this is the Gravity Forms menu. You can see I've got a couple of forms here, and the interview submission form is the one that I'll be showing you. But before I get to the edit settings, I would just want to show you what the form looks like on the front end of the site. This is a page with the form shortcode inserted in it, and you can see I have some questions here: the standard name, email, what's the name of your business and blog, the website address, the photo of yourself, and that's going to be used as the featured image of the post, and some various questions here for people to fill out, some checkboxes, a few more questions, and then another URL that you want your guest post blogger to be able to link to. They submit the form, it comes into your site as a post. So let me show you how that's done. First of all, you go ahead and create a new form. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you the form I've already created. In Gravity Forms, you'll see some standard fields, and you'll see advanced fields for name, email, etc. You can go ahead and explore all these fields. Once you click any one of these, it will create one of these boxes here for whatever you've chosen, and then you can click on these, expand them, and you have some extra settings in each one of these. But this isn't a Gravity Forms tutorial so much as it is to show you how to format these form submissions into a blog post. So as you get down here, we'll go way down here, and at the bottom you'll notice on the front end of my site, the last field was the opt-in or landing page or product URL that you wanted your guest post blogger to submit, and then you'll see 3 extra fields here that you don't see on the front end of the site, and these are post fields. So if you look over here to the right, you'll see some options for post fields. I've used these within some of the fields above in this form, but the 3 you'll see here are post title, post body, and post category. So what I've done is I've hit post title, and you can see over here, if I expand that, there are some settings here, and these are the settings that are important and that make this form submission come into your site as a WordPress post. So the first thing you do is choose the post status. You don't have to worry about title or anything yet, and you can choose from draft, pending review, or published. I never want to have a guest post automatically published. I always put them in pending review because I have a lot of drafts of my own, so pending review kind of sticks out a little more in the post list. So I've chosen pending review. I want the default post author to be myself, and then I've check marked this box here. This is where all the magic happens: create content template. So if you do the little question mark here, you can see a description. Check this option to format and insert merge tags into the post title. So I don't expect you to know what merge tags are yet, but I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. So if you go into the post title field here, I'm creating the create content template field. What I'm doing here is, instead of the title coming in as post title, I'm creating a content template with a custom post title. So I want all of these post submissions to come into my site prefixed with WordPress success stories, an interview with, and then the name of who submitted the form. And you can see there are these funny looking characters here. These are called merge tags, and merge tags basically pull information from the fields that are above in the form. So in this case, these merge tags are going to pull in the first name and last name of the person who submitted this form, and it's going to take those that data, that content, from this form field, first name and last name. Does that make sense? Okay, let's move on. So if you want to enter more merge tags, maybe you want to get creative, you can simply click this drop down arrow and you can choose the merge tags from the fields that already exist. So perhaps my title would be WordPress Success Stories, the story of, and then what's the name of your business blog that I asked in that other field up here. Maybe I want to enter that into the post title instead. So I'd simply click that, and what that does is that enters the merge tag of that form field in there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because this is a live form. Now, post body. This is where the magic continues to happen. So in the post body, again, I've done nothing with the field label up here. I've chosen to create a content template, and I've chosen to insert some merge tags. So you get a little bit of HTML going here just to format your post, but let me show you what I've got going here. It looks like a bunch of gobbledygook right now, but let me go through a couple lines here to show you what I'm doing. So the first merge tag I want is from the field where I've asked someone to upload a photo. So what that will do is in my blog post, that will put the photo first, and it will align it left. So let me show you what that looks like here. I'm just going to go down a line and show you how to insert that merge tag. So what you'll see here is a list of all the fields I've created, and the one I want is upload a photo of yourself. And now I'll get some extra options. I can select the image size and alignment. So I want a medium size image aligned left. So if I do that, it throws in that merge tag right there. Starting to see the power yet? Okay, so the next thing I want is their website address. So I've inserted merge tag, I've chosen a previous field, and I've plopped that in there. Now you want to structure your blog post here. Okay, so you want to put in your heading tags, and it's always good to break up your blog posts into different sections with heading tags. So you simply use an H3 opening tag here and an H3 closing tag here, and what I want to do is put my question here. What's the name of your business or blog? And that's actually the same wording that I've used in my form field. So I've just used the same question, and then I've gone down a line and I've chosen a merge tag. What is the name of your business or blog? Etc., etc. So I've done that all the way down the line here. Heading, merge tag, heading, merge tag, etc., etc., etc. You can see I've done all of that here. And now post category, you can choose what category you want these form submissions to go into. In my case, I want them to all go into the interviews category. And that's it. So I've updated my form. Now let's go to the live site and enter in some fake form data. So I am a child of the late 70s and 80s. I'm a big fan of the $6 Million Man. We'll do Steve Austin astronaut. We'll put in a link to my personal site there, and then we'll upload a photo. Okay, I've got a fun photo to work with here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and grab some dummy text here, copy that, put that here, put that here, and I'm going to make a couple choices here. How do I make money from my WordPress powered business? I'm going to do, let's do subscriptions and affiliate marketing for this one. This will be some more text, some more answers, and we'll go to the Plugin Business website there. I'm going to submit this form. And you can see after submission, I've got some custom message here. Thank you for submitting. I review it. If you're not already a member, please sign up for my free forums, etc., etc. So now, let's take a look here. If we go into posts and we view all posts, what you're going to see here in pending is a new blog post that's pending. Now, you'll see the title, WordPress Success Stories, an interview with Steve Austin, first name, last name. Let's go ahead and preview this post. Alright, now what you'll see here is a fully formatted blog post that you have not spent any time on except for reviewing what's been entered. You've got a nice title, you've got the URL, you've got the name of the business or blog, you've got their answers here formatted. You see these titles are in H3 heading tags. Looks nice, easily readable. How do you make money? Well, affiliate marketing, subscriptions, etc., etc. Where can our users learn more? And there's the URL again. And that's it. It's really, really, really simple. Once you create a form for accepting any kind of submissions that you want to turn into blog posts, you simply use the post fields. Now, one extra thing I wanted to show you here is that image upload. If you hover over it, you'll see this is a post image. So I did use a post field up higher here, but what I did was just put the title, the post body, the post category, and used merge tags in each one of these fields to format the content the way I wanted it to be seen. And that's it. That's how you create a guest post blogging form in WordPress using Gravity Forms.